Welcome back to All Things Real Estate, your trusted source for all things real estate related. Today, we are diving into a topic that's crucial for every real estate agent looking to impress clients and close deals: property tours and listing presentations. Why are property tours and listing presentations so vital? Think of them as your first impression in the world of real estate. A well-executed tour and presentation can make your listing stand out, attract potential buyers, and instill confidence in your clients. Let's start with some tips to nail those property tours. Number 1, prepare in advance. First and foremost, preparation is key. Familiarize yourself with the property's features, neighborhood, and any unique selling points. This will help you showcase the property confidently. Number 2, create a tour script. Develop a tour script. Plan out the order in which you'll showcase rooms and highlight key features. Having a structured script ensures you don't miss essential details. Number 3, engage with your clients. Ask questions and actively listen to their needs and preferences. Number 4, highlight benefits, not just features. Focus on benefits, not just features themselves. Explain how a particular feature enhances the buyer's lifestyle. For example, instead of saying granite countertops, say imagine cooking on these beautiful granite countertops. Number 5, be tech savvy. Embrace technology. Use digital tools like virtual tours, high quality photos, and videos to create a compelling online listing. This can attract more potential buyers. Now, let's shift our focus to creating winning listing presentations. Number 1, customize each presentation. Customize each presentation. Show your clients that you've done your homework on their property. Tailor your approach to their goals. Number 2, showcase your expertise. Highlight your expertise. Share your knowledge of the local market, recent sales, and your track record. Clients want to know they're working with a pro. Number 3, visuals matter. Use visuals effectively. Include high quality photos, videos, and 3D floor plans in your presentation. Visuals help clients envision their property's potential. Number 4, providing a marketing plan. Present a marketing plan. Explain how you'll promote their property, whether it's through online listings, social media, or traditional marketing channels. Number 5, address questions and concerns. Be ready to address questions and concerns, anticipate potential objections, and have well thought out responses. In conclusion, mastering property tours and listing presentations can set you apart as a top-notch real estate agent. It's all about creating a memorable experience for your clients. Thank you for joining us today on All Things Real Estate. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable insights on real estate. And of course, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. Here's to wowing your clients with outstanding property tours and listing presentations. See you in the next video.